Hi, I'm Benjamin from Airtame, and in this video I'll show you how you can multitask with your room PC using Virtual Airtame for Windows. As you may know, with Virtual Airtame you're getting wireless screen sharing, digital signage and video conferencing, plus emergency alerts and remote management all in one package. But you might still have cases where you want to use your room system for other uses. In that case, it can be really powerful to have a Windows-based mini PC running your big screen, like I am in this video demo. And from here, we're able to actually multitask and use it for different purposes, while always having easy access to Virtual Airtame. We do this by installing Virtual Airtame in minimized mode, which is a special flag you can set while mass deploying your Virtual Airtame to ensure that when Virtual Airtame is running on this machine, it will not take up the entire screen unless we are running a call or screen sharing to the big screen. Let me show you how it works. So on this room system, I have Virtual Airtame installed in minimized mode. And that means that when I double click on it to open it up, instead of opening in full screen, it will run in minimized mode. So we will see Virtual Airtame running down here. And the only thing we're actually seeing on our screen is this little widget, which shows the pairing code we'll need to connect to the screen. But as you can see, everything else still shows the normal state of my Windows room computer here, meaning that I can use this for other purposes. Now, this is usually split into either actually connecting a mouse and keyboard to the room PC and allowing users in a meeting room to use it. So this could be, going to a website and navigating a site. Or as an IT admin, you might want to show some very specific custom signage content that you cannot set up inside of Virtual Airtame or Airtame Cloud because of access restrictions like requiring a login and stuff like that. In those cases, you might be able to set it up using your Windows setup to show custom, more passive content like a calendar view or something like that. In either case, when I have my system running as I want to, I can easily screen share to this Windows-based computer by looking at the pairing code. So if we switch to my laptop here, I'm able to simply go in and enter the pairing code that I can read off the little widget on the big screen. Now, as soon as I connect and select that I want to screen share, you'll notice that Virtual Airtame takes over on the big screen to actually show what I want to screen share. So let's say I want to screen share some content of Virtual Airtame. And now I am wirelessly screen sharing from my laptop to the big screen and presenting whatever content I want. As soon as I stop sharing, I will revert back to the previous state of the Windows room system, showing whatever content might be needed to show at that point. So this has been a quick demo on how Virtual Airtame for Windows works in minimized mode. If you're interested in installing Virtual Airtame in minimized mode for your system, make sure to head to the video description of this video, where you'll find a link to our Help Center article on exactly how to do that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.